Welcome to Grow Your Greenhouse. Today I'd like to show you how to measure your rails for making shaker style cabinet doors. It's a very easy process, and let me show you a couple things real quickly on how to do that. First of all, we're using a 2.5 inch poplar for the face frame, which is the rail and the stile. The way that you know how to differentiate between rail and stile is that rail is like railroad on the ground, horizontal, parallel to the ground. Stile is vertical. And so the stiles are easy to figure out because these are 1/2 inch overlay doors, which means that the total door width needs to be 1 inch bigger than your face frame opening, and it needs to be 1 inch bigger or longer than the face frame vertical opening. And so to do that, you just take your measurements of your opening, and then you can move on from there. So what I'm going to show you here, first of all, this is a door ready to pocket join for our opening. And the opening is 37 by 13 3/8. So our door needs to be 38 high by 14 3/8. And the stile part is very easy to figure. Just add an inch to 37 and you have your 38 inches. And so that's what this is here. So we know that our stile size is 38 high, but what we didn't know was how wide to make this. This is how you do that. Your door width is 14 3/8 total, and if you put your two stiles together and subtract that from 14 3/8, what you come up with is 9 3/8 inches, and that is your rail length. And so you cut your rail length at 9 3/8 inches, and then put it together to test it. This is 9 3/8 on the rail, and when you add the rail plus the two stile widths, 9 3/8 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, you come up with 14 3/8, which is 1 inch bigger than your face frame opening. And that is a real simple way to make your face frame, your door openings for face frames. And the other thing I wanted to tell you is that when you're pocket joining, you want to make sure that your screws are set back from whatever rabbeting you do to put your flat panel in. And we use a 3/8 by 3/8 rabbet bit here on the edge. So we want to make sure that our pocket joint is about 3/4 inch back so that your router bit doesn't come close or make contact with your pocket jig screws. And that's the basics of how to figure out how to make rail sizes from your your flat panel doors.